All right, what is up, everybody? Today we are gonna be fucking trading Asia session on the live funded account. So first thing first, I'm gonna wait to see what happens when we get up. But on Bookmap, there's 65 resting sell orders at 23.3. Cause what I see may happening is once Asia session opens, we'll probably get another little bounce like this. I think once we get here and they can't break this level, they'll probably shoot up after this. This is my guess right here. But well, here let me use the volume profile. So what I like to do with the volume profile is see exactly what the fuck happened last trading session. Sell 14. We might be looking at a bearish structure here. CBD is high. Buyers are up on this. So we do have the point of control here. So we do kind of have that going for us. A lot of volume here with New York session. Did I drag it? Yep. Not a lot of volume here compared to the other sessions. So price may move freely as possible here. But what I am going to do is get this right here. Boom. Perfect. So depending on what happens. All right. Now that I got the volume profile here. So what I'm hoping for is price will continue to go up to fill this gap here. We're also in the 1 minute, so we'll probably get here to up here. Bounce. Then, if right here, when these buyers reload, are able to push past this point, they're going to move freely into this point. And I'm probably going to get rid of my sell order. Then I just want you guys to see what I can see. If they start to lose this battle, price is going to move freely towards the downside. Or it may go back test back, reload up, boom, and take liquidity. So there's just kind of different scenarios running through my head. But I just wanted you guys to visualize the sell limit that I was looking at. So we'll see exactly what happens. I am going to be possibly use the orb strategy as well. See how that works tonight. And then we'll go from there. Oh, fuck. Wait. Can you guys see me? Oh, yeah, you guys can. That's hard. Yeah, so just right now, just watching the market, kind of getting everything ready, which is pretty cool, to be honest. It's pretty fun. I'm hyped. I want it bad. So, yeah, I'm just going to wait to see what happens during the market. We got, a couple more hours, about an hour. So, yeah, once that happens, about an hour and a half. Once that happens, we'll look at the charts again. But as of right now, I'm just going to hold on. I low-key want to say this is going to go up. I really want to say it's going to go up. I might be looking at entering a trade here. Hold on. Market. Let's see. I don't want to say 100. We'll do 100 points. Stop loss 20. It'll be for 200. A risk of 2. I don't want to say buy just yet, but I want to say this filler here, at least to here. I'll consider this a solid trade to there. Oh, wrong thing. So, I won't be able to trade if I decided to do that. I'm doing it. I should have done one contract, but whatever. So we're entering our first trade. It's not looking the greatest for us right now. This is a 2 to 6, so well, I guess that's a lot. I might move this down a little bit to here. I think we'll get closer there. But yeah, I mean 38 ticks of This maybe wasn't the smartest, but I mean, we're in the trade now. I feel confident about this one. I mean, just CVD's up. Um, we do have this unfilled gap here. I definitely see the market going to go ahead and try to fill that in. Compare right there. This is what this gap is. But I do think it's going to want to tap it in all the way. So we'll just keep watching the market. As time goes on, I'll readjust my stop loss. But like I said, right now, the session's slow. But yeah, I'm definitely going to readjust my stop loss to up. Well, let me wait till this candle forms and we'll go from there. So yeah, that's not what I wanted to do. That wasn't ideal. Oh shit. Let me. So if I move my stop loss here, oh, this was 38, right? No, 40. So that's more money. 38 was like 2 ticks down. So yeah, we have a strong sell here. It really depends on what happens after this, but I do think buyers are going to be. Ooh, fuck. There it goes. 400. All right, we're good. We're good. If we can grow above this, that'll be nice. Because, I mean, also, we are in a. There's not a lot of volume, and I do think buyers are going to win this area here. Just pushing upwards, pushing upwards. There are a bunch of sell orders that we are looking at up there. But we are in a consolidation form, and it looks like sell side is going to lose here in a bit. There we go. That's what we needed. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and move my stop loss up. I do think with that push, I need price to get above that bubble or else we're not getting anywhere near it. It looks like I'm going to lose on this trade here. Yeah, buyers got absorbed hella quick. Maybe it is smart to... if I can get... Yep, I'm out. Fuck, okay. Damn, I should have got out where I could. So that's minus 400 bucks right there. Sellers are losing. Or buyers, I should say. So what I'll do here is sell one. Oh, fuck, that's not what I meant to do. Shit. I did this completely wrong. So, divided by 5 would be 20 points. 20 points. And then my take profit, I would want it to be here. Which would be what? Buy limit. There. So that's 55 times 5, that's 275. So stop here. Definitely wanna. I wanna break even here if it breaks that point. Okay. Alright, we're fine, we're still fine. And then we can get it down here. This is probably where it's gonna die out at. So mine that. Boom. Stop loss right there. No, come on. Don't fuck me up here. Because you have a lot of room to go up to retrace. There we go. Nice. There we go. That's nice. What is this? 100 points? Yeah, there we go. That's what I wanted to see. There we go. I'm worried about unclaimed positions here. So, yeah. There we go. Come on, hit it. You're right there, my nigga. Push. Push down. Come on. Don't do this to me now. Reload. Sellers need to reload. Come on, absorb it. That's nice. Nice absorption. Nice absorption. Come on. I'm a good trader. I know what I'm doing. I know what the fuck I'm doing. Come on, I know what I'm doing. So yeah, the only thing that's worrying me is my stop loss. I do think it's gonna hit this point here. I definitely do want to move my stop loss after this candle. Hopefully this bitch starts shooting down. But we are starting to see sellers get absorbed a little bit, which makes me want to get out of this position while I'm up, if that makes sense. So there we go. That's what I needed. So now we'll move my shit up. I'm gonna get out of this position probably. Need sellers to. I'm out. 300. Okay, I'll take that. So this moves me back up into profit for the most part. That's not what I was looking for. So I'm gonna wait till New York session opens at 8. So I am gonna go chill for a sec. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Fuck, bro. My nap fucked me. My nap fucked me. Yeah, listen to some house music. Definitely don't want to take a trade just yet. Come on. Got book map here. So we have a seller. Sellers have taken over. Is this a small? So we already hit this high. We already took out this high. We took out the top of this. There's no point of it to keep going up. I want to see a drop. So what I also so in this, right where we're here. It's a lot of volume here. Most volume's up here, but if it breaks, I do think price would want to get back up here. If it gets here, I'll see what it does, but I think it'll drop. Oh, fuck. Smart. I'm fucking smart. I'm actually smart as shit. So we just have a wide ass range, really. So yeah, like I said, oh my god. It's got it on that bitch. All that volume there. Let's. I mean, we still have at 300, we got hella sell orders. So I think we'll be fine here. But I mean, buyers are in hella momentum, but I don't think. So let's see. I mean, if the breakthrough here, this is the point of control. This is where you typically would want to see, but that's where everything would change. But I just don't think they have that potential unless I'm not going to trade here yet because I mean we are in the middle of everything. So price could break through this, go up to this next level up here at 300, and we'll see exactly what the fuck happens. But until then, I'm not gonna do shit about it. So yeah, we're starting to get more volume here in price now. I mean, now that we're retesting this point, so obviously the point where price has reached before is where we're gonna get the most. Last time price got up here, we did see it down. Obviously a strong retest here, but if price does get up here, we do have 60 resting orders up there to be able to take price down. But buyers are starting to or sellers are starting to lose their momentum. They were at negative 200 just literally a couple minutes ago, and now we're at negative 45, about to go up into the positive. So that's something I think we need to really consider, as well as now there's a shift in momentum. We might have a reversal here at the top of this point, but we don't know yet. We have a lot of volume happening right there. So I think that's fairly interesting. Hey. Okay, sellers are starting to build more momentum now. Now that we broke here, so it's right here. So if we can continue to go down, that's where we can get it. But buy side is where we have that loss in volume. But I mean, also another thing too. I mean, looking at it in Asia session, there's really not a lot of volume going on here. So if it breaks under this point, I do think we'll go all the way down, losing this battle here. So I'll give it to this point here. Soon as it drops below this, I'm taking it here. I have my stop loss up there. We'll do 2 units. I think 2 units is safe to say. $1,000 reward. Fuck it, let's ball. The other thing too, this has already broken the orb strategy, so it's the other thing too. I mean, retest there, so it's whatever. I'm not gonna pay attention to the orb strategy. It works for some people. It's not working that well for me, so don't be upset about something that's not affecting the way you move. Okay. Sorry, I'm fucking breathing into the mic. I apologize. So it's going to be one of the two. I mean, I think if we break below this level here, I think this is going to be a sell side opportunity for them to continue driving price lower. Because, I mean, we filled this gap twice now. We keep filling it. It's not being able to break it. So I want to see a clean break, a little retest. Then we'll take this bitch down to this point here. Because this point here is going to be where buy side is going to get, and they're going to try to take control of the market. So this right here, I mean, let's say if I get in late, what is this? Okay, so I could realistically get in at any moment in time, and I'll be perfectly fine. Just, damn, this is really bad. This is a big ass point. I'm going to break to the downside. I don't really give a fuck about chart patterns, really. This is ass. I'm listening to jazz. Who got better jazz house music? What about hip hop? Hip. Right here. Hey, I don't know if y'all can hear this right here, but this is the shit you need to start listening to. Yeah. What? Okay. Oh my god, I fucking knew it too. There's 64 book orders right here. It's gonna be a high, and I'm selling. I'm telling you right now, I'm selling. Come on, I want to wait to 3810. No, we haven't. Come on, hit it. Hit it. I want to see what happens here. Give me a better retest. So it's 100, that's 1,000 right there. I need it to start cooking for me though. That'd be sweet if it could. So like, I need it to like cook me solid right here because I don't want to lose all my position. So I've been this above here now. So we're at 20 pips.
You say that you need me, but I don't feel it now. You said that you would see me, but you're not coming round.
So we'll probably have a high momentum here because we hit that. But as long as it gets absorbed, we're fine. We're definitely snacking take profit here. Come on. Hey, come on. What? What? Come on. We feel. Come on. Hit it, 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 hit it. Come on. Come here. Hey. Okay. 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 Hey. I told you. Feel good. You feel great. Hey. Okay. So, honestly, I felt really good about that trade right there. Hey, so that's the end of first day on the funded session. That was a solid ass trade. Give it up. So that was solid. That was pretty good. So yeah, I mean, dude, you guys stay doing amazing. Stay doing great. Be disciplined with your rules and house on, I guess, you know.